On today's menu, a deliciously saucy recipe that will get you out of any sticky situation. A simple sweet chili noodles. Lei Homa, that's how's it going in Cantonese. I'm Yeung from youngmancooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. This recipe is incredibly simple to make, really delicious, perfect for the weeknights or the weekends. But before we get started, a big thank you to today's episode sponsor, Shopify. But as always, let's get started with the recipe first. Bring a pot of water to boil for the noodles. Pat dry about 100 grams of extra firm tofu. Use a fork to mash the tofu into a crumble. Two to 3 pieces of garlic, thinly sliced. Three to 4 sticks of green onion, chopped. Just for today's episode, we're not really using any other veggies, so we're going to use a generous amount of green onions. But of course, if you have other veggies on hand that you'd like to throw into this recipe, completely cool, completely up to you. 2 teaspoons cane sugar. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Half teaspoon dark soy sauce. 2 tablespoons plant-based oyster sauce, sometimes called mushroom or shiitake sauce. 1 teaspoon potato starch. Splash of water. Splash of toasted sesame oil. Stir to combine, then set aside. Of course, it wouldn't be Young Man Cooking complete without using some deliciously smoky, spicy chili oil I made in a previous episode. I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check this out. Make this really easily at home. Non-stick pan. Medium-low heat. 2 tablespoons chili oil. Garlic. Fry the garlic for a couple of minutes. The garlic will be a nice addition to the noodles, but also further flavors the chili oil. Carefully squeeze out some of the oil from the garlic and set it aside. When the water comes to a boil, cook the pasta for 1 minute less to package instructions. In this episode, I'm using about a quarter pound of spaghetti. Remember to stir the noodles occasionally. If you've been following the cooking show here on YouTube for quite some time now, then there's a good chance that you've already visited the official Young Man Cooking online shop, which is why it's so exciting that Shopify is today's episode sponsor. Shopify is an incredibly user-friendly all-in-one commerce platform that anyone can start to build an online business with, regardless of technical ability or website building experience. Unlike online marketplaces, Shopify empowers entrepreneurs with a beautiful platform and the tools to help them sell online, in person, and on all major social platforms. Our very own Young Man Cooking online shop has been powered by Shopify for quite some time now, and what started as a small space to sell a single cookbook grew into a shop now offering 3 cookbooks, Young Man Cooking merch, and even a plant-based sushi masterclass. One of Shopify's powerful tools is Shopify subscriptions. Subscription apps available on the Shopify App Store allow merchants to create and build flexible, customizable subscription offerings that make life easier for their customers. Product subscriptions also helps merchants drive higher conversion, retention, and build long-term relationships. To explore further about Shopify, you can visit shopify.com/youngsubs or check out that link in the description box below. Heat up the pan back to medium heat and add in the crumbled tofu. Sauté for 3 to 4 minutes. 1 teaspoon gochugaru or Korean pepper powder, about a half tablespoon of dark soy sauce, Saute for another couple of minutes. Green onions. Strain out the noodles and add to the pan. Stir-fry sauce. Add back in the garlic. Saute for another couple of minutes and it's done. For today's episode, I'm using spaghetti, but of course you can use ramen noodles, udon noodles. That will work really well with this as well. Plate the noodles. Sprinkle with white sesame seeds. You can now enjoy this weeknight-friendly noodle dish with absolute confidence. If this isn't happiness in the bowl, I don't know what is. That has got this really nice, deep umami. Just so delicious. This dish visually has this really nice rustic look and is just uncomplicated and casual. And yet you have these noodles that are just coated with this delicious, savory, spicy, sweet, salty sauce. That potato starch really helps thicken that sauce a little bit and helps those noodles grab onto it. There's that spiciness from the chili oil as well as that incredible smokiness. There's that fragrance from the toasted sesame oil that really complements the earthiness and that deep umami from that tofu with the dark soy sauce. The green onions add that little bit of freshness and that pop of green color. Those thinly sliced pieces of garlic just gives that pop of flavor as well. These noodles are definitely not swimming in a pool of sauce, and you get this sticky, sweet, dynamic tasting sauce that is just remarkable. You can definitely add other veggies to this, and it's simple noodle dishes like this that is so uncomplicated that you can make any time of the week. Like I always say on the channel, it's simple, easy, delicious recipes like this that makes it so exciting to cook at home and turn your very own kitchen into an amazing restaurant. If you love easy and delicious recipes like that, then definitely check out, pick up your copy, or take a peek inside one of the 3 Young Man Cooking cookbooks. I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check out these, the Young Man Cooking merch, and the plant-based sushi masterclass. If you're not already subscribed with that notification bell clicked, definitely do so you won't miss a single episode.